Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious yogurt pancakes, step by step. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Finally, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly to ensure they are well combined. Now let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of plain yogurt and 1/2 cup of milk until smooth. Then, crack in 1 large egg and beat it well. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter to the mixture. Stir all these wet ingredients together until they are fully incorporated and smooth, creating a consistent base for our batter. It's time to combine our mixtures. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Using a spatula, gently fold them together until just combined. It's crucial not to overmix, as this can lead to tough pancakes. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Once mixed, let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period helps activate the leavening agents, ensuring fluffy pancakes. Finally, let's cook these delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Flip them over and cook until golden brown and cooked through. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.